Welcome to Speak English Today podcast, your go-to channel for mastering English in the most fun and interactive way possible. I'm Sarah, and alongside me is my co-host John.
Welcome to the Future of Content Creation podcast, where we explore the latest tools and technologies that are changing the way we create and share content. I'm your host, Peter, and today, we're diving into something truly fascinating: how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content through talking photos and avatars.
That's right, Peter. AI tools like Hedra AI are making it possible to bring static images to life, giving creators a fresh way to engage their audience. Imagine taking an old photo or a digital avatar and making it talk with just a few clicks, no need for expensive animation software or voice actors. Today, we'll walk you through how this works, its potential uses, and even the ethical considerations that come with it. What is Hedra AI? So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Hedra AI?
Great question. Hedra AI is an artificial intelligence tool that allows users to animate static images and make them speak. You upload a photo, add voice input, either recorded or AI-generated text-to-speech, and the software synchronizes lip movements to create a realistic talking avatar. It's basically an AI-powered way to bring images to life.
That's amazing! I love that it uses AI-driven lip syncing so the animation looks natural. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills, just a photo and some text or voice input. This makes it perfect for content creators who want to make engaging videos without spending hours on editing. You can create explainer videos, social media content, digital storytelling, and even virtual assistants. For anyone listening who wants to try this, let's break it down step by step.
Absolutely. First, you need to sign up on Hedra AI's platform. Once you're in, you upload a clear photo, preferably one with a visible face for better animation. Then, you add your voice. You can either record your own voice or use Hedra's text-to-speech feature. For the purpose of this video, I will use text-to-speech. Just copy your text and paste it here. That's where the fun starts. You get to choose different AI-generated voices, adjust the tone, and even select different languages. After that, click on Generate. The AI automatically syncs the lips with the speech, making the image appear as if it's talking.
Welcome to Speak English Today podcast, your go-to channel for mastering English in the most fun and interactive way possible. I'm Sarah, and alongside me is my co-host John.
Now, if you are okay with it, you can download it to your device. With Hedra AI, you can generate 5 photos to videos daily using the same process. If you want more, you will have to subscribe. I was able to create a content using the photos I turned to video using Hedra AI. Kindly take a listen.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to The Entrepreneur's Edge, the podcast where we explore stories, strategies, and insights to inspire your entrepreneurial journey. I'm Paul.
And I'm Sarah. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone dreaming of starting your own business, this is the place where we give you the tools and motivation to take action. And today, Paul, we're diving into a book that flips the script on starting a business.
That's right, Sarah. Most people think you need loads of money, investors, or even formal training to start a business. Chris Guillebeau challenges that idea with a simple yet powerful question. What if you could build a profitable business with just $100?
Wasn't that great? You too can do the same thing. If you want me to show you how I created this 6 minutes video using Hedra AI and other AI platforms, just indicate in the comment section. I will also drop a link in the description for you to watch the full video.
Now, let's talk about who can benefit from this. I see this being a game changer for a lot of industries. For sure, YouTubers and content creators can use it for storytelling or explainer videos. Social media influencers can make unique, eye-catching content. Businesses can use it for marketing and virtual customer service. Even educators can use it to create engaging lessons with historical figures, talking to students. I also think it's great for podcasts. Imagine making a visual version of a podcast where AI avatars are actually speaking instead of just using voiceovers.
Exactly. It opens up so many possibilities for engagement. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility.
Yeah, let's talk ethics. With tools like this, there's always the risk of misinformation or deepfake concerns. What do you think content creators should be aware of?
I think transparency is key. Creators should always disclose when AI is being used, especially if they're making realistic avatars. It's also important not to use AI-generated talking images in deceptive ways, like creating fake news or impersonating real people. It's a powerful tool, but like any technology, it depends on how we use it. When used responsibly, it can be an incredible asset for creativity and engagement.
So, final thoughts. Do you think Hedra AI is worth trying?
Absolutely. If you're a creator looking to boost engagement and make your content stand out, this is a game changer. It's easy to use, fun, and perfect for YouTube, social media, and even business content. It's a great way to experiment with AI-driven visuals without needing advanced animation skills. If you're interested in trying it out, visit Hedra AI's website and start creating your own talking avatars today.
And that wraps up today's episode of The Future of Content Creation. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Until next time, keep creating.